Okay, class 10. Today we will continue exercise 12.3, question number 13. So question number 13. In figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant. So it is given that it is exercise 12.3. Exercise 12.3, question number 13. So it is given that it is a quadrant. Quadrant OABC is a square. It is O. Now here it is square. OABC is a square. This is a square. OA equals to 20 centimeter. So in square means all the sides are equal. So this equals to 20 means this also 20. So it is 20 centimeter. It is also 20 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. We have to calculate the area of shaded region. So shaded portion. For calculating the area of shaded region, we have to subtract square from the quadrant. We have to subtract square from quadrant. Square quadrant minus square gives shaded region. First we will calculate the radius by using Pythagoras theorem. In square, all the vertex angles are 90 degree. So it is hypotenuse. It is hypotenuse. Now first calculate OB. So given OA equals to AB equals to BC equals to CO equals to 20 centimeter. These all are 20 centimeter because the square, in square all the sides are equal. Now calculate OB. In right triangle OAB using Pythagoras theorem, OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. So OB square equals to OA square is 20 square. Now OB square is also 20 square. Suppose if you have x square plus x square, what will be the answer? It is 2x square. We can write in this way. So OB square equals to 2 into 20 whole square. Now OB equals to root under 2 into 20 whole square. So 20 has pair, 2 doesn't have pair. So OB equals to 20 root under 2 centimeter. So OB is 20 root under 2. This is 20 root under 2 centimeter. So we can say that radius of quadrant is, therefore radius of quadrant R equals to 20 root under 2 centimeter. Now we can calculate the area of shaded region. Therefore area of shaded region area of shaded region equals to area of quadrant minus area of square. Quadrant minus square. So area of quadrant minus area of square. This equals to area of quadrant formula is 1/4 pi r square minus area of square is side square. So it is a square. So 1/4 into value of pi is 3.14 into radius is 20 root under 2 into 20 root under 2. A square is 20 into 20 centimeter square. Now simplify it. Two 2 into 1.57, 2 10 20. So this equals to 1.57 into 10 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus 20 to 20 is 400 centimeter square. So this equals to 1.57. First multiply this. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 1.57 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 10 is 20. 20 into 20 is 400. 400 minus 400 centimeter square. So 1.57 into 400. 4 7 28. 4 5 20. 22. 4 1 4 5 6. 628 minus 400 centimeter square. So this equals to 228 centimeter square. Now this is the answer of question number 13. Now move to question number 14. Okay, question number 14 is AB and CD are respectively arc of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter. AB and CD. So it is given that figure is given. It is AB and next one is CD. This is CD. Are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 7 centimeter and 21 centimeter. From here O to OC is 7 centimeter. Now OB is 21 centimeter. This is 21 centimeter. And then central angle is angle AOB is 30 degree. Not only AOB 30 means COD also 30. Find the area of shaded region. So this part is shaded region. This part is shaded region. For calculating the area of shaded region, we have to subtract this sector from larger sector. This sector. We have to subtract this portion from large sector. We will get shaded region. So radii are first. We will write the given information. Radii r equals to 21 centimeter and small r equals to 7 centimeter. Now angle AOB equals to angle COD equals to theta equals to 30 degree. This is theta. So we can calculate area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equals to area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. So area of sector theta by 360 degree into pi r square, capital R square, minus again theta by 360 degree pi r square, this small r square. We can take out common 360 theta by 360 pi. So theta by 360 degree into pi is common. Inside the bracket r square minus r square is left. So what is the value of theta? It is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into value of pi is 20/7. Yes, 20/7. Now r square is 21 square minus small r square is 7 square. So 0 0 cut, 313, 312, 36, 2 6 12, 2 11 22. So this equals to 11 by 6 into 7. We can write in the form a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b. 21 plus 7, 21 minus 7 centimeter square. So this equals to 11 by 6 into 7 into 21 plus 7 is 28. 21 minus 7 is 14 centimeter square. Now we can cut this. 717, 7 4 28, 224, 236. So this equals to 11 to 22. 11 to 22, 22 into 14 is 308. This equals to 308 divided by 3 centimeter square. This is the answer of question number 14. Okay, this was all today. Thank you.